Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 是 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 是 life, age, world, or Chinese surname 是 For example, 世界世界 world. Here is a sentence. The world exists whether you like it or not. The world exists whether you like it or not. Like it or not. 不管你喜欢与否，这个世界照样存在。不管你喜欢与否，这个世界照样存在。不管你喜欢与否 whether you like it or not. The world 这个世界照样存在。The world exists whether you like it or not. My casual handwriting on the character 是life, age, world, or Chinese surname 是世界 world. The world exists whether you like it or not. 不管你喜欢与否，这个世界照样存在。是 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 是 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.